How to undo and redo in Photoshop. How to undo multiple times. How to redo multiple times. When you work in Photoshop, you will use undo and redo a lot. Now to undo, go to the edit menu and select undo, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Z. We will select it from here. Now to redo, go to the edit menu and select redo, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Z. As you can see, if we press Ctrl+Z once, it will undo the last action, and if we press Ctrl+Z again, it will redo the last action. So to undo multiple times in Photoshop, come to the edit menu and select step backward, or use the shortcut Alt+Ctrl+Z. We will select it here, and now if we use the shortcut Alt+Ctrl+Z to redo multiple times, go to the edit menu, select step forward, and the shortcut is Shift+Ctrl+Z. Now we will use the shortcut Shift+Ctrl+Z. Thanks for watching.